Good evening, Hotshot. My name is Jonathan Paula, and tonight on Ustream.tv, I am broadcasting live right now because I'm going to build my father a brand new computer. We have $500 worth of parts that just shipped in from Amazon. I'm going to put them together over the next hour, take your questions in the chat room, and then maybe a bit later, edit some movie night footage. If you'd like to come hang out with me, first link in the description down below. Would love to have you over there. And if by any chance you missed this video when it was first posted and the live show has already happened, well, click the first link down below because it'll take you to a recording of the show you missed. Either way, I hope you watch, and thanks for checking it out. Bye-bye.